baby, show me.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Shopaholics AMPM, and today we'll be comparing the two Bluetooth speakers, Portronics Pico, which I bought a few days ago, and the Mi Compact Mini 2. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, first of all, let's talk about the build. Both have pretty sturdy, durable plastic build, matte finish and rubber bottom. There's this power on off button in both the speakers. The LED notification lights, as you can see, it turns red when it's on charging, and for charging they both have micro USB ports. You get those micro USB cable with it. There's these straps that are very much useful, at least for me, and you can pause and play the songs. There's even a microphone, inbuilt microphone in Mi Compact. That's great, works very well, but there's no microphone in the Pico. When it comes to the battery life, the Portronic Pico lasts for around 2 hours when played on volume 80%, but that's where Mi Compact shines. This one lasts for about 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours, which is great even when played at volume 80 to 100%. So thumbs up for the battery life. The Mi Compact has 2 watts of sound output, but the Portronics Pico has a little bit more, 3 watts. Now let's check out the sound battle and we'll see how they perform.
Feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down the walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? You gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. So drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you
Alright guys, done with the sound test, and before giving my final review, you should know this that I've used both of these speakers for adequate amount of time, and this review is not just based on this one song. It was just a sample sound test for you, so you can figure out which one you want. But I've used these speakers a lot, and here's the review. So when it comes to the sound test, yeah, Portronics Pico is more powerful. There's more bass, loudness, but in the MI compact, there's more sound clarity. Vocals are better, but still the sound is much more louder. Bass is better in the Portronics Pico. The battery life in MI is 6 hours. Portronics 2 to 3 hours. There's microphone in MI. You can't pick calls in Pico. In MI you have that facility, you can pick calls. So the thing is, you have to choose which one is for you. For me, I would choose the MI compact because I'm paying 650 rupees for both of the speakers each, and I think it's a pretty good deal because I'm getting a lot of features here. The battery life is almost double the Portronics Pico. Sound is alright. The point is it should fill that small room with sound. So sound is alright, not bad. Portronics Pico is better, but not that MI is bad. I can live with it. The battery life is pretty good, 6 hours. That's really cool. And the best part is portability for both of the speakers. And there's even a microphone, and I actually use it mostly for voice assistant, even some calls. So this is my pick for today, the MI compact. It depends on you totally. If you're okay with 2 hours of battery life, you don't want a microphone, you can live without it, then yeah, you want good sound for that price, Portronics Pico is the right choice for you. Go for it. But I'm choosing MI compact as I've said. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, that is Shopaholics AMPM. I'll be back with another video. See you soon. Peace.